Hi there, my name's Ian McKenzie from Tech Confidence. Now this video is part 2 of another video I've done reviewing the Play app. Now the Play app is an app that enables you to save videos. So I'll just do a really quick recap here. You can save a video from YouTube using the share link and save it straight into your Play app. Look down on the menu here and that's done and saved. If we go back to the Play app, you can see there it is. It's now saved into that library. But the Play app also does something else that the YouTube app can't do, and that is search for something. So in the YouTube app, if you search your library, it won't actually search your library. It'll go out and search the whole of YouTube. Well, that problem is solved with the Play app. So if I just do a search here for a video, there we are. It's just pulled up all the videos that have audiogram in it, and you don't get bothered by all the advertising either. So anyway, this is just a super quick recap. Go back and watch video 1 for more detail. And if you want to get the app, you'll have to buy it. It's a paid app. Buy the app and then come back and watch this video, which is all about tagging and, more importantly, auto-tagging. All right, so let's move on to the next section. So how does auto-tagging work in the Play app? All right, so I'll just jump over here into the Play app, and that's what the icon looks like for the app. And tags are basically just a way to categorize things. So anything that I've got coming into the Play app, as you can see, there's not one video in here that isn't tagged because that makes it easier to find a lot of your videos later on. So you can see here, I've tagged all my videos, and the example we're going to focus on today, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, because it gives us a good example of a couple of things, is WordPress. I'm a web designer and I use WordPress, so I'm constantly learning things when they change, and I'm saving them all to the Play app with the tag WordPress. So when you save a video, and I'll give you a look at that, just jump out of that and get into YouTube. Now I've got this video here, and let's say I want to save that to the Play app. So what I've got to do is look for the share link. And because I'm just looking in the sort of feed here, the all feed in YouTube, I'll find that share link in these 3 dotted menu over here. And if you're actually on the video watching it, you'll see the share link below the video there somewhere. So all we do is we come over to share, and then what we've got to do is scroll all the way across to the more share link, and then you'll see it's added to your menu down here. So it's not across the top here where a few of your other apps that you can share to are. It's actually in the menu here. So if we tap add to play, and you can see here it's just come up with some basic information on the video. The cool thing is here, as I showed in the first video on this, you can actually add some notes, and those notes become searchable. So when you're searching for something, it'll pull up anything you've got in your notes that are related to that search as well. You can rate it, but what we're going to do is tag it. So if we came down the bottom here, I could look for WordPress and I could tap it and it would be done. But as you can see here, it's already put a tick next to it, so it's already going to tag it. And that's what auto-tagging is. And that's one of the really cool things about the Play app. Once you've got auto-tagging set up, you don't need to manually go and place your tags onto each video as you bring it in. So let me show you how that is set up. So we'll just click done on that, and that will be in the Play app. So now what we'll do is we'll go back to the Play app, And if we go to WordPress, you'll see that's the video we just saved, and it's automatically tagged with WordPress. It automatically tags a few other things too, the time and the date. I don't know how useful they are, but I don't typically use them. It also tags it whether it's a long video or a short video. Anything more than, I think it's 8 or 9 minutes, I regard as a long video. So, but let's go and have a look at the auto tag feature. So you've got to look for these two little controls on the top left-hand side of the app. And if we tap that and you look for auto tagging, it's all in alphabetical order. So we'll come down to WordPress, and you can see here I've got 2 conditions for this auto tagging of this particular category, WordPress. So I've got here, automatically apply this tag WordPress. So you have to create that tag first and then make sure this auto tagging feature is set up to apply to that tag, whatever it is. And then tag it when the title of the video includes either Fluent Forms, because I know that's a plugin for WordPress, but it may not be in the title of the video, but I still want it included in the WordPress tag. And then we've got title, of course, being WordPress. So if we tap into that, you can see when the title contains WordPress, auto tag it, automatically apply the WordPress tag to it. And the one here for Fluent Forms, if I tap into that, it's just got when the title includes Fluent Forms, also tag it automatically with WordPress. So I know that WordPress has a number of different plugins, and so each time I save one and I notice it's not automatically tagged, I'll go and add that condition to it to make sure next time it picks it up. And that is the basics of auto tagging and the main way I use auto tagging. By the way, if you've got multiple conditions like we have here, make sure you tap the match any condition here, otherwise it won't work. Matching all typically works if you've only got one condition set here. Okay, so that's auto tagging.